G'day Burnout fans, it's Flinty here. We're down at Wanneroo Raceway with Darren and his awesome VL. You may know Darren from being around the traps for a little while. He's got a beautiful blown HQ Wanneroo. He's got an awesome twin turbo VH that's knocking on the door of a 7-second pass. And now he's looking at getting into skids. So we're just about to head out on the track, do a couple of laps, test this thing out, and then we've got access to the burnout pad for an hour or so. So I think he's bought about 3 or 4 sets of tyres, so we're in for a fun couple of hours. But I'm going to get Darren to tell you a little bit about the car, where he bought it, what the engine combo is, and yeah, then we'll go and smash some tyres. So Darren, tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, so I bought the car from Adelaide and bought it with a LS in it, no blower, 4-link rear end. So now it's a cammed LS1, methanol blown 671. Yeah, look, when I got the car it was a bit rough, so I spent a lot of time going through it all and fixing it all up. So what you see is pretty much a lot of hours in the shed now. I thought the car was going to be pretty ready to skid straight away, but it wasn't. But yeah, look, I'm ready to smash some tyres and see how she goes now.
Awesome. Had a lot of help from the man behind the camera. Well, Mick.
Yeah, got us into skids as well. Thanks, Mick.
Yeah, I blame Mick as well. Mick got me into skids many years ago. Also got me down on the track when Pikey used to run the Motorplex, and been standing there ever since. So yeah, we have to thank the man behind the camera for getting us involved. So
yeah, tell me you don't love it.
Yeah. That's enough talking from us. Let's go and belt some tyres off this thing. Thanks, Darren.
Cheers,
Good luck.
mate. Thank you.